So there's hope because of common grace, okay? And special grace itself. We live in the world. Because if you overemphasize special grace and diminish common grace, you will become a separatist Christian. If you overemphasize common grace and then you diminish special grace, you become a compromising Christian. Meaning, you become a worldly Christian. You're Christian in name only. I have to do it. Doesn't mean I'm a better person. I want to do it. I want to live with someone. I want to fall in love. I want to have sex with someone I'm not married to. But see, how can I? If I do that, first of all, who can I trust? That's the problem. It's a trust issue. So we trust in God. And then we also trust people who show that their faith is authentic by having a repentant heart. So if you are a Christian in America, you're a professing Christian in America, especially if you're a woman, because I'm guessing that most Christians in America are women, but also men, white, and persons of color, of all genders, of all classes, all social categorizings. We have to unite. I cannot see how you can continue to support Trump with what is now happening in America, what is now happening in Washington, D.C., Ukraine, and Gaza, and the South China Sea / West Philippine Sea. Economy, inflation, the big Nazi bill, it's a Nazi bill. Makes the wealthy wealthier and makes the poor poorer, makes the privileged more privileged, and makes the non-privileged more non-privileged. And the path of wiping out the African Americans and then wiping out the Native Americans and then the Mexicans, etc., it's not gonna work. That's not the way of God. That's the way of Satan. So I understand national security, trying to understand both sides, but this is still extreme. Before February 2025, I did not talk like this. I was just a pastor. Did not involve myself with politics. Although, pray for the Middle East, wanting church planters there, plant churches there, evangelize, but not as part of an empire. So we have to unite and ask that God would stop this Trump regime and turn things around. I don't know if it will stop or it will escalate. I will not leave because her, H-E-R, she sang, "Will anyone fight for me?" As a Christian person, I cannot leave America. Because if I just say, this is your problem, guys, I'm going home, my sweet mom, she's gonna be 85 in November. But, well, I like the church where I'm in. Also, I cannot just leave them. I like the church where I'm in, Reality in San Francisco. They're my spiritual family. Pray for me. And let's pray together